Hello and welcome. My name's Emily. Today I have for you a yoga sequence for the Solar Plexus chakra, our Mani Pura chakra. And we'll find this chakra today within our stomach. It sits just above our navel. And yeah, we find this within the stomach. So our solar plexus is fundamental to our digestion and also holds a really important role in our mental and spiritual well-being. We can't really embrace and experience the things going on around us when our Mani Pura chakra is unbalanced. So today we're going to work on balancing our solar plexus. So to begin, we will start standing on our mats and we'll find our way into our crescent lunge. So we'll begin with the right foot forwards and we can step this left leg back. And we come up onto the balls of the back foot. That heel is nice and high and we can bend into the front knee. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Slight little bit of a back bend. We can gaze up towards the ceiling. And just some nice deep breaths. And the color we associate with our solar plexus chakra is yellow. So tuning into our solar plexus, our Mani Pura, we can imagine a nice yellow glow above the navel. Slow, deep belly breaths. One more breath. Exhale, we can release the hands down, lengthen through the front leg, and we can drop the back heel down, squaring the hips to the front of the mat. Exhale, fold forwards and bring your left hand down to the inside of your right foot. And we can inhale, extend the right arm up. So we come into a revolved triangle. Maybe the back heel comes off the floor a little bit, that's fine. Just that we can keep squaring the hips to the front of the mat here. And again, we are breathing deep. We can imagine our yellow glow within our solar plexus, our Mani Pura. Deep breaths. And we're moving with purpose and intention today. We're bringing some energy into the body to energize our Mani Pura. One more breath. Exhale, bring that right hand down. And then inhale, just using your core, come back up to standing. Beautiful. We'll switch the legs round. Turn the left foot to the top of the mat and we can come up onto the balls of the back foot. Inhale, bend into your front knee, coming into your crescent lunge. Slight little bit of a back bend. We can take the gaze up towards the ceiling. And again, we can envision our yellow glow above the navel. And we're moving consciously again today. So to really tune into our Mani Pura, we want to move with intention, with purpose. One more breath. Exhale, lengthen through that front leg. We can bring the left hand down towards the mat, keeping the left hand up, We can always drop that back heel down to the mat, coming into our revolved triangle. Keep squaring those hips to the front of the mat. And again, we can just check our little bit of alignment here. That heel can come off the mat a little bit. One more breath. Exhale, we can bring that left hand down. Exhale, use the core to come back up to standing. Great. We can then just walk the feet in a little bit here. Just shake out those legs. Bring the toes together. Inhale, reach the arms out and up. Exhale, dive forwards into a forward fold. Generously bend the knees so we can plant the palms and step it straight back to a downward facing dog. And we can pedal the feet here, stretching out your legs. Nice deep breaths. Connecting to your yellow glow. And again, we're moving with intention. So that just means being aware of how you're moving and where you're moving to, and just being fully aware of how you're moving your body. Maybe you can slow it down a little bit more. Maybe you can be a bit gentler with yourself in the way you move. One more breath. On your next inhale, shift your weight into a plank. Engaging our core here, pulling the belly in. Nice, slow, deep breaths. Keep pulling the navel in. One more breath. Exhale, gently bring the knees, chest and chin down to the mat. So we come on to our bellies. And we'll come into a little bit of a back bend here. So bringing the arms down by the sides of your body to begin. We can bend both the knees, bring the heels in towards the sit bones. Maybe this is as far as we go today. If we can take it further, we'll reach for the backs of the feet. And maybe, again, this is as far as we go today. This can be our version of our bow pose. If we can take it another step forwards, inhale, pressing the pelvis into the mat, lift the thighs up off the mat, lifting the chest up as well, coming into our bow pose. And we don't have to come up really high here. We can maybe just hover up off the ground. Wherever we are, just gently pressing the backs of the feet into the palms. And some nice deep breaths. Tuning into your Mani Pura chakra, our yellow glow. One more breath. Exhale. Ooh, slowly lowering yourself down with control. We can gently release, lengthen the legs back down to the mat. Bring the hands underneath the shoulders and just press into them so we come up onto the knees. And then finding your way to sit with the legs in front. And again, engaging our core, engaging our Mani Pura chakra. We'll find our way into our boat pose. So bend the knees, bring the soles of the feet onto the mat. We can hold on to the backs of the knees to begin. Find your balancing point on your sacrum, your tailbone. And one by one, we can bring the toes up off the mat in line with the knees. So we come into our boat. And we can either stay holding onto the backs of the knees here, or maybe we can bring the arms in line with the legs. Deep belly breaths. Keep pulling the navel in. Core is engaged. Deep breaths. Maybe we're beginning to shake. Whew. Just a couple more breaths here. One more breath. Exhale. We can bring the feet down to the mat. Great work. And then just gently coming down to lie on your backs and bring both the knees into your chest. Now just give yourself a nice hug here. We can stay connected with our little yellow glow above the navel. And nice deep breaths. One more breath. And then from here, we can roll over onto either the left or right side and just help yourself come back up to sit. And there we have it, our yoga flow for our Mani Pura chakra today. I hope you guys enjoyed that little flow. If you did, maybe leave me a little like on the video, perhaps save for later. You can always leave me a comment in the comments below and subscribe to my channel for more free yoga content. Thanks again for joining me today. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.